Hey guys, we are heading to our attic right now, and we have no doorknob because the doorknob got stuck and we had to take it off, so we have to get a new doorknob. But this is the attic. Yeah, I'm Judy. MonkeyLillianLouise is my white-faced Capuchin monkey. Eye on her. Here she is up on the rafters. And there's the Spartan helmet. There's Kelly. Hi, baby. What you doing? The funny thing is, this armoire right here is rather large, and we built an area downstairs coming out of the attic, and we didn't think about the fact that we couldn't get the armoire out after we built it. So one day when we move, we will have to take part of the structure down to get the armoire out. And there is a monkey. A white-faced Capuchin monkey in my attic. She discovered that that pole can roll. When I close the armoire, she opens it. Watch this. She's going to open it. Where'd she go? She's so fast. Lillian is nearly 2 years old, and she's a white-faced Capuchin. And I just noticed this board right here. If she lands on it just right, I may have to have some quick feet movements. Oops, I better move. Aha! He caught you! He caught you!
Pull a fast one on me.
Uh-huh. She says, I'll get that. I'll catch you. Uh-oh. She threw that down at him.
I know what you're doing, Lillian.
And Lillian wants to go over to the dark side.
You feel like Star Wars.
Don't go in there, 'cause I'm not coming in after you. I'll send the boys in. I wish I could do pull-ups like that. She tricked you.
What's wrong, Lillian? You thinking?
Aha, she was trying to trick you.
Can't throw a fast one on me.
Lillian!
Hi, Dad.
Lillian! Daddy's home! Daddy's home! Say hi, Daddy! Oh, you surprised her. She didn't know you were home.
Look at there. Look what Daddy got you. Look at you some Capuchin.
Oh, did Daddy bring you home a treat?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now you better say hi to your other little girl down there. She likes cashews too, honey.
I know I've got both hands full. I did, though.
Okay. Look, there's Daddy, Kelly. There's Daddy.
What are you doing, Kelly?
She likes cashews too.
Yeah.
Yay.
Oh, yeah.
Boop. She says, what about me, Dad?
What
about me?
After her, a cashew.
Uh-huh.
Is that pretty good, honey? I think I'm gonna sit in this other chair so I can sit back.
She says, not without me, you don't. She wanted to go with you.
That's pretty good stuff. Oh, is that pretty good stuff? Huh? Is that good? Yeah, that's good, isn't it? Well, that's the last one. How do you say I'll go? I'll go. I'll go, and I don't know if I'm doing that right. Oh, you. Mm-hmm. Pretty good stuff, huh?
Lillian. Lillian, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say I had fun in the attic, everyone. Say bye-bye. Thanks for stopping in. See you next time.